And the reason why I enjoyed collecting requirements, it wasn't because of collecting requirements, but it was the interaction that I got to learn more about their role, some of the things that maybe went wrong on other projects. So I turned it into a full-blown one-on-one to understand what are they looking for. A lot of times we don't have that conversation with our stakeholders. Like, what are you expecting to get out of this? Because a lot of times, as I've stated before, frustration comes from expectation. If I have a certain expectation, let's say you and I are doing business together and we both have an expectation. I have the expectation that I plan to receive my fee at the end of the month, and in the end of the month come, no, I don't receive the fee, and the next month come, like, and if you didn't communicate to me, like, hey, let me explain what's going on, then that frustration, continues to rise. So, family, when you are actually leading a project, that engagement with your stakeholder, that's why they call it stakeholder engagement. It truly makes sense to really get engaged with your stakeholders, and just don't talk about just the projecty things. Try and learn more about your stakeholders.